really wanted to win today. We didn't want to go to the last game of the season, but yeah, fortunately for us, we got a good result.
Again, disappointed with the performance, the result. I spoke to you before the game about a mentality of getting up for games. We wanting the big players to shine and come through. We were very poor. He's been very last time out, and it's continued today.
Ie, yn peth cyntaf, llongyfarchiada a dy gol di sy'n cyrraedd y lle yn y seithfad safle ar gema ail gyfle.
Ie, ni'n gwybod beth ni'n disgwyl chwarae'n erbyn Cei Connah lan fan hyn. Dim ond pwynt ni angen, ond i dod allan dar 2 gol a llech yn lan, mae'n wych.
You know, at the end of the day, you've got to give credit to the boys. They've rolled their sleeves up, got on with it, got on with the next games and the rest of the season, and now they fought their way in. So, you know, we don't know, playoffs are around the corner. Very difficult.
Well, it's important now where lads are playing for shirts. We're going into the Aberystwyth game, and hopefully lads turn up and play for the badge, because you know we want to be finishing the season strong and momentum going into that final.
Edrych yma wedyn i'r gem ail gyfle a ceisio gael lle yn Ewrop.
Ie, mae fe'n dda. Ni'n gwybod beth y target ni dechrau'r blwyddyn. A gobeithio bod ni'n cyrraedd Ewrop. Gobeithio.